You see, it is quite important that you first understand the fundamentals. Because if you do not understand the fundamentals, then all this conversation that we have had will be at waste. Now, in life, there are two basic fundamentals.
The Gardner Show.
Welcome to the ConsciousAwareness.
The first fundamental is asking questions. We all have these questions that we ask, some to do with love, some to do with life, some to do with leadership, some to do with management, some to do with business. And these questions come with a hope that we want to find answers. By the time you start asking questions, then you are confused. You are confused about life. You are confused about business. You are confused about leadership. Now, because you are confused with that mindset, you question expecting a different result. No, your answer will come out of confusion. And this brings us to the second fundamental, which is the answer. Having the answers to the questions that we ask. But in reality, is it the answer that is important or the question? You question expecting an answer from somebody. Yet, this other person may not have the answer. When you start looking at the question fundamentally, when you start looking at the question clearly, when you start looking at the question without expecting an answer, but with clarity and understanding, one thing happens. The question dissolves. The question ceases to be. And once it ceases to be, it literally means that the answer is no longer important. Because within yourself, you find the answer. Now, for you to be able to find the answer, you need to understand the question with clarity and then use your mind with your heart or with your emotions. That when these two come together, the question ceases to be important. It dissolves. And the answer comes from within you, not from any other externalities, but from within you. And that is the beginning of intelligence. That is the beginning of understanding. And that is the beginning of life fulfillment. And this is the most important phenomenon, important principle in life. You no longer expect answers from anybody, but you search them from within you based on clarity, based on understanding. And that is the untold link. You have the answers to all life problems only if you are ready to search within with clarity and understanding.
Untold.